I have 6 amazing developers and they will be passing one Roblox game along, each adding their own updates without ever talking to each other. It's like Broken Telephone, but in Roblox Studio, starting with Zekromz. I haven't told him anything. Let's see what happens.
What's up guys, I'm Zekromz, and since I'm the first developer on this game swap, I'm gonna have to come up with a game concept. If you've been to Roblox at all recently, you've probably heard of games like Steal a Brainrot or Steal a Baby. I want to make a game like those, but combine it with another game genre, Tycoons. So I got right to work, and my plan was to make the foundation for the other developers to work off of, but I hopped into Steal a Brainrot to do a little bit of research. I smacked this guy with a bat a couple times, and I was ready to get to work. First I built a tree, and I think it looks amazing. Then next I built one of the plots for the map, and just pasted them all around. Then the last thing that I did is I built a dropper so the next developers knew what the actual game was. And then I ran out of time, so rate me a 10 out of 10 in the comments.
Hey everyone, my name's Spaghetti. I've been scripting for 7 years, since I was 8 years old. For this video, they told me I have 24 hours to make my part, but I had things going on this day, so I had to make my part in 2 hours. From what I've seen, the other developers want this game to be a tycoon. So I started by creating a dropper that spawned an item. I then made an entire random item system where I can put any chance for any item, so some items can be rarer than others. I was pulling out my hair for hours trying to figure this out. Once I finished that, I made the item move. Due to my low time though, that's all I could do features wise. But before I ended my part, I did add Rick the Pick and a dog. Anyways, it's time to pass it on to the next person. Hope y'all enjoyed my part.
Hi, I'm Xylo. I've been a Rogue server for 4 years now, and when I got the game, it had almost nothing done. I mean, except for that tree over there. Anyway, as far as I know, I'm the only modeler, so I'm gonna lock in if I want this game to be good, starting with the plot. Before we begin, I'm gonna explain what the game is hopefully gonna be about.
So you take a Xylo dropper, upgrade Tycoon, and then you get better droppers. It's pretty simple, but I guess it might not be done if the future developers don't get what I'm trying to do, but yeah.
Okay, and now that that's out of the way, I'm gonna get started in the plot. Woohoo! The plot is done. Yay! Woohoo! So we got the droppers, we got the conveyor, we got the upgrades, we got the laser door. Yeah, we got pretty much everything. Hooray! I made this terrain, but I'm not the biggest fan, so dropper time! Yay! Droppers! We got the basic, the bendy, the hydra, the diamond, and the rainbow! Yippee! I also made some UI, but I don't think anyone cares about that, so on the next thing, if you like my segment, please play my game Steal a Crop, and in general, just rate me a 9 out of 10 in the comments, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
What's up? My name's DanCodes, and I'm back on another RoDev video. So I've loaded up the game, and honestly, this might be one of the best looking ones yet, and pretty clearly a Steal A game. So I guess I just need to playtest and see what this is about. All right, so I'm in, and the first thing I see is an error in the console, and GUI isn't updating, so I assume the game is pretty unfinished. That means I have a lot of work to do. All right, I have literally no idea how this is supposed to work. I think it might have been working before, but I'm not sure, so I'm gonna go check out an older save. Okay, I thought this game worked, but maybe it didn't. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to recode some stuff. All right, so gotten started on making these come across the droppers, and you know, it would be kind of weird if they just like slid across the ground. So I decided to make like a little delivery guy, and you can see whenever I run the game, he actually carries it, and you know, I think it looks pretty nice. So I'm gonna get this set up in the code, and then once that's done, I guess I can start making the tycoon. All right, so I got the conveyor belt up and running, and now the delivery guys come on through the gate with whatever dropper the random number generator decides, and yeah, they just go on over to the exit. So the only thing really left for me to do is to get the tycoon somewhat working, and hopefully that's it. I did a lot off screen, but I've gotten the code somewhat working. So right now you can load into the game and it automatically puts all the tycoons out, and you also get your own tycoon and sets the line to your name. So nothing inside works yet. You also can't steal any of these droppers, but you walk into someone's laser, you get zapped. Yeah, so that's the end of my part. I think I did good. I set up all the code that the other developers will need to finish the rest of the game, so it should be a breeze for them. Give me 10 out of 10 if you think I did good, and on to the next developer.
Hello, my name is Enzo, and I've been developing Roblox for like 5 seconds now, probably. And it's my turn on this game swap, so let's get right into the game. When I first got into the game, it looked like a Steela type game, but with the Tycoon, which is a cool idea. But none of the Tycoon worked. So first thing I'm gonna do is fix up the Tycoon. Okay, I forgot to record clips between last time, but I have implemented a lot of stuff. I implemented the Tycoon, and so now it fully works and you can purchase it. And also you can now buy droppers and they'll deliver it to your door. They are kind of buggy sometimes, but they work. They definitely work. And then I implemented data saving. And so you can save data. The data saves now, your Tycoon saves, and your droppers save. And so basically the whole game is functional now, and you can play it. So yeah, that's all the time I have left. Rate me a million out of 10 in the comments, because I'm the best developer ever.
Hey, I'm Rileybytes, and this game is looking pretty incredible so far, but I'm noticing a few things are broken. For one, every dropper is the exact same price. Oh yeah, and you can't even steal the droppers yet. So I got right to work adding stealing mechanics. If I come into player one space here and steal his dropper, I can start walking this back out, but then what's gonna happen is if I get ragdolled, I lose the dropper and it just goes right back to player one space. So now I just need to add in some tools that let you ragdoll other players, and then you can defend your droppers from getting stolen. The obvious choice was a baseball bat, so I made one and... Oh, shoot! Bad news, I'm stuck. I'm stealing. Come here, boy. Next up, I added in some pop-up notifications and fixed the dropper system. And then I played Steal a Brain Rot for 3 hours. But it wasn't a total waste of time, because that's when I realized we needed more dropper variety. So I made a bunch of new droppers. The last major mechanic missing was the timed laser door. So I just added in this laser door. Oh my goodness, it works. Let's freaking go, dude. Let me get my door back on though. Boom, works like a charm. But that's it for me. Guys, quick, rate me out of 10 in the comments, please. Okay, bye.
Alright guys, Riley just sent me the game and the map looks incredible. Alright, so I've hopped in and this right here is my Tycoons. It's Luckman!
I think this is the best game swap we've ever done!
Me too! Alright guys, I have 10 cash and like, you know, this button's totally working. Anyway, let's go steal a Hydra because I want it. Oh, I can't afford him. I don't know how this game works. Okay, basic. Oh, he's my slave now.
I don't think that, I don't know about that, Rodab.
Oh, is that legal?
Now the money drops out of the dropper and it goes.
Okay, $0.2 per second. This is about what I make in real life.
Is it?
I don't know. Okay, so as the money goes to the end, it shows up on my cash collector. When I step on it, I get the cash. Okay, let's go find another basic slave. Okay, guys. $34,000 per day is not enough for me. Okay, so let's just quickly pick up the cash, and right over here is like a warehouse thing. Okay, and this warehouse thing is really stupid. Okay, so we're gonna... Oh, guys, I got some. Wait, guys, ready? I'm gonna face through. Oh, as soon as this laser door is gone, we are going to steal from Luckman. Okay, ignore Luckman. He's right over. Oh shoot! No, I'm not gonna steal from you. Guys, wait for any second now. Don't tell Luckman we were right here. 22 seconds. All right, guys, laser door is now open. Let's go. All right, guys, screw this guy. He has an impenetrable base defense. Let's go to Austin. Okay. Look, he has all these stupid basic droppers, okay? I don't like basic droppers, one thing about me. But I do need them. So let's steal them. Let's put them right over here. And, oh, I think I have to go over here. Yep, guys, I know what I'm doing. Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. I'm rich. What is that, like $51,000 a day?
Rodab, come here.
What's up?
Come here.
Hey, come here, buddy.
Hey, no. What is this?
Get him.
Hey, jump him, bro.
Get him, Austin, get him. Can I hit you in?
Yeah, hit me in.
Yo, it didn't work.
Rodab, wait. Rodab, I have something I need to say to you. Stop, Rodab. Wait. Okay, so basically, you're really...
Hey, yo! I smacked him, guys. Oh, and now it's back. The basic dropper is now back after I smacked him. Okay, guys, I have $100. Let's see what kind of slave I can get. Okay, guys, just like the slaves in my basement, now I have a slave in my base.
It's not even a slave. The guy just brings it over and places it down and leaves.
Okay, he was a slave for me for a couple seconds. All right, guys, we need to pass Row Builder by the end of the summer, so press subscribe. Okay, only 1 in every 20 of you are subscribed. Are you kidding me? We are so close, dude. We are so close. I think he works for Row Builder. Get him. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. A quick word from Brilliant for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Hey, wait a minute. Is that Brilliant? With Brilliant, you can learn by doing, not watching. You could finally replace morning doom scrolling. Deep critical thinking is 6 times more effective than watching videos because you're actively engaging with the material. As you work through fun puzzles, real-world scenarios, and step-by-step explorations, you'll develop a learning habit that should stick. If you watch videos to learn, you learn to watch videos. If you do, you'll learn to do. Whether you're on a computer at home or on your phone between classes, you can pick up right where you left off. Brilliant's growing collection of programming courses will have you writing real code, analyzing data, and mastering algorithms from day 1. You'll learn loops, variables, functions, and conditionals. Best of all, you can try Brilliant free for 30 days at brilliant.org/rowdev or scan the QR code on screen. After your trial, you'll get 20% off an annual subscription so you can keep expanding your mind without having to expand your bank. Also, if you say thank you Brilliant in the comments, I'll heart your comment. Join Brilliant today. Remember, it's free for 30 days and just see what happens for fun.